Local news for Tuesday the 6th of November. The Regional Economic Development Minister Shane Jones will join key Wairarapa stakeholders in Masterton next Monday for the launch of the region's new economic development strategy. The councils, including Greater Wellington Regional Council, have worked hard with stakeholders and iwi to develop a strategy for economic growth across Wairarapa. Masterton Mayor Lynn Patterson said a lot of work had gone into the strategy and the end result was a positive action plan for how to achieve economic growth across Wairarapa. The Colombo Road netball courts were broken into over the weekend and bring it to Colombo looking for information as to the identity of the perpetrators. And the dates for the 2019 Kokomai Creative Arts Festival have been announced. The event beginning on Thursday the 10th of October and running for 9 days. New Artistic Director John Hunter is excited about the festival, which includes live performances, likes of theatre, music, dance, film and literature. And finally in sport, the Heartland 15, which featured Wairarapa Bush captain James Goodyear, made it 2 from 2 Sunday, beating New Zealand Marist in Taupo 46-19.